Hi everyone, and welcome back to Travel 101. Today we have a really great video about the 40 things that you need to make sure are in your suitcase before you even set off abroad. Now I know 40 may seem like a lot, but trust me, these are the basic essentials that you need to make sure you pack now. Now I definitely agree that there is a fine line between overpacking and underpacking. Overpacking just means you're going to be paying hefty fees as soon as you get to the airport, and it also limits the amount of clothes, souvenirs, or whatever memorabilia you decide to bring back from your vacation. But underpacking can be just as expensive as well. If you don't pack all the basic essentials that you need, you are going to be setting off on your next holiday looking around for things like chargers, adapters, and so on, when you could really be spending your time enjoying the sights of the city you're going to visit. On a recent trip I took to Seoul, I ended up having to walk around for 2 hours to find a travel adapter. Now, I never travel without a travel adapter, and I'm going to run through the 40 items that you need to make sure you pack now. Okay, let's start with the obvious. Definitely don't forget your passport, your insurance documents, and also your boarding passes, especially if you have done an online check-in. Definitely don't forget your visa documentation, your hotel information, especially the address and phone number. Make sure you write them down. Driver's license, phone, and your phone charger. Make sure you bring all your plug adapters and some currency in the country that you're arriving in. Your laptop charger, headphones, and also your camera charger, a portable phone charger. Trust me, you'll definitely need this. A pen and a notebook, a book or a magazine to read, refillable water bottle. Trust me, you'll definitely need this abroad, especially when you're at the airport. Sunglasses, a hat. Don't forget some antibacterial wipes and some tissues, any medication you will need while you're abroad, and also don't forget to head to your doctors prior to get a prescription, as they may not let you take it on board the flight. A sealable clear plastic bag where you're able to put all your little toiletries, a sleeping kit. This could mean your eye mask, your neck pillow, just the basic essentials you need for on board the flight, perfume, toothbrush, and definitely don't forget your toothpaste, face and body lotion, cleanser, and some sunscreen, deodorant and shampoo and conditioner, hairbrush, any makeup you'll need, a razor, underwear, your clothes, and also a bag to put any dirty shoes or dirty laundry. Now, these 40 things are definitely your essentials, so I would recommend heading down into our description below, and I will link where you can find this entire list to make sure you can tick it all off before you head abroad. Now, if I've missed any basic essentials that you feel are so important to pack on your next trip, then definitely leave them in the comments below to share them with the Travel 101 community. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see you in the next video.